Another head arises from the shadow, which is the animal-shaped face of Set, which has a horn arising from the head of blackened and violet flame. Its eyes are the same as the others. The body is of great blackness, from which a plethora of beasts and demonic shapes circle the daemon in a counter-clockwise manner. From the left eye of this bestial lord of darkness, a great lightning flash shoots into your eyes. This throws you into a state of ecstasy. A single question is asked, which you know the answer to by instinct. You will feel never to be able to turn back from the path, as the lonely path of Godhead shall be marked upon your brow as a mark of Cain. As you are shadow, allow yourself to grow close to the infernal king and enter his essence. Open your astral eyes as this shadow and understand you may take any form you wish. You are vampire, incubus, Set-like and immortal in essence. You become as Ahriman, the infernal king who shapes the world according to his desire. You may communicate and seek various points of congress with all goetic spirits in the dreaming plane. Your gate is the dream. This is the Sabbath body of which you shall go forth. You may fly forth to discover a great crimson goddess before you. She is robed in red, and her head is covered with a caul bloody with the mark of birth. Her hands are pale ivory with blackened and animal-like nails, sharp and cruel. She is encircled with a great red dragon, and two other heads emerge from her red robe, hag-like and hissing with serpent tongues. You ask her to lift her crimson veil, which she does. A skull is beneath, the eyes are of blackness. Before you this skull becomes flesh, and a face which is of great beauty looks at you. Her eyes are still black as pitch, and she speaks to you of that which you would tell no one. She knows you more than anyone else, lover, friend, or family member. This goddess being Lilith, called Hecate, Ruaz or Babylon, is a goddess of flame. She is the succubus queen, vampire, and dragon rider. She opens forth her robe and spreads her lips wide to reveal teeth and a slithering tongue. She invites you in. The teeth retract, yet the tongue still slithers as you grow close. You shall go unto her, muse and lover, mother and harlot. Feel this sensual fire within. Open your eyes with her within. She embraces you, and you are drawn close to kiss her. Before she touches her lips with yours, she drinks of a golden chalice which is filled with blood. She licks your lips with another serpent tongue, and the taste of blood drives you deep within her. The embrace is the paramount of ecstasy from which shakes the foundation of your being. As you are close to her, another hand brings up a skull bowl of blood, which was catching the fornication of her lips below. This is her sacrament, the elixir of the beast and the venom of the infernal Sabbath. Drink deep and know the vampiric reawakening to the shadow. When you go forth to the Sabbath or seek dreaming consultation with the goetic spirits, always remember this union with both aspects of the shadow and the light. This is a mirror of yourself, that by magic you become godlike. Welcome to the awakening and become.